Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the simple and fast way to get your Nigeria pepper soup spice ready in no time. Yes, you hear me right. In no time. This is African nutmeg. It is called calabash nutmeg also. First of all, you put it inside your blender. And use little button just the way I'm doing it. You don't have to over blend, everything will just mix together. Okay? You press one, you stop. You press again, you stop. After that, you remove. You can see the back has already fallen off. So you don't have to use your teeth again and be cracking. No. Or use stone to knock. No. Recently, I was always doing pepper soup and I said, this thing to use teeth and be removing it is very difficult. Honestly, it's difficult. And so will I do now? Should I use stone? No, I don't want to use stone. I said, okay, let me try this my hand blender. I just put it. Behold, Mamma Mia, everything was just going well. It's okay. I think I have to share this with my friends. Yes. So I decided to share. After you press the button like 2 times, you pour it out and remove the back. You can see the way I'm removing the back. So it's very easy. In no time, your spices is ready. That one was for me stubborn, but I will still break it. You see, there's already pieces. Please don't look at my blender. This blender is doing a lot of work. Anyone you see that it has not opened, you have to return it back and press your button again. Don't just leave to blend. No. Press the button once, leave. Press, leave. You can see. That's how you do everything, and your calabash nutmeg or African nutmeg is ready. You don't have to use your teeth again and be breaking it crack. No. You don't have to. Time for the bush pepper. Some people call it lemon grass. I don't know. Same process with the calabash nutmeg. You press your button, you leave. Press your button, you leave. Why I use this process is that this bush pepper have a little bitter taste when it's too much in your pepper soup spice. So I decided to remove the back. You can blend everything, or you can still do it the way I'm doing it. I decided to remove a little back, but it's not everything. At least some. You see, you just have to remove the shaft. Yes, small shaft. Depending on how you like it. I still have to do that small one because I don't want to open up. Some people blend everything together. Sometimes I do blend everything, but sometimes I remove the back because it has a little bitter taste. You see? This one too is ready. So I'll remove a little skin now. This is bush pepper. Some people call it lemon grass. You see? So that one, I'm going to throw it off. I don't need that one now. So that I'll have this fine texture spice. Time to blend everything together now. I have different 5 spices that I'm blending together. I have Gbafilo, I have Umilo, I have bush pepper, I have alligator, I have the calabash nutmeg. So this is the calabash nutmeg now. This one is Umilo. You have to break it. I already break it. This one is alligator pepper. Yes. So 5 different spices. Depending on how you want your spice, on how you like it. Some people add ginger, dry ginger. Yes, dry ginger. So now you blend everything together to have that fine texture. You see, it's almost ready. Like I said, please don't judge my blender. This blender is doing a lot of work, but I have to throw it away and buy another one. So once I have more money, I'll go and buy a new one. Okay, even myself, I was embarrassed on the blender. So you have to blend until you have that fine texture. But you don't expect it to be over smooth or have that powder texture. No, it cannot have that powder texture. It's ready. But if you feel that you still feel some seed inside, you can still continue to blend. I'm going to blend one more time, a little. Yay, our pepper soup spice is ready. The real Nigeria pepper soup spice. When you use this one to cook anything, cook a goosey pepper soup, or you cook okra pepper soup. Oh my god! Or you use it for your normal pepper soup. Maybe goat meat pepper soup, catfish pepper soup. Mamma, you're going to bite your finger. Bite it off. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like. Thank you for watching.